In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam headlight bulbs on this Lexus IS250. These bulbs are 9005, so make sure you have the right ones, and I always recommend replacing them in pairs. The procedure for both sides is the same. Let's get started. Now we have to remove this cover, and it's just held on with a bunch of push clips, so we'll go around, pop them all out with a trim tool, and then remove the cover. Now with that cover out of the way, we can reach in right behind the headlight and we'll see the high beam bulb cover right over here. It's going to be hard to show this and do it at the same time, but you're going to want to turn it counterclockwise about 45 degrees, so 1/8 of a turn, and then pop it straight off. And behind here is going to be your bulb. I'm going to unplug it first, so with a pocket screwdriver, pry out on that tab and push it away. And then I'm going to reach in here, turn it counterclockwise, so that way, and then pull it straight out of the headlight. And there it is. Now put the bulb back in here. I'm going to try to line up the tabs on the headlight assembly. Okay, I turned it clockwise again to lock it in. My connector is somewhat in place, so I'm going to reach back down and push it up and into the bulb. Okay, now we'll take this cover, slide it back over, and turn it the other way to lock it in. All right, that is locked in and changed. Do the same to the other side. Now reinstall this cover and put back all the push clips that held it on. And that's installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.